4 months ago, when Bitcoin was above $120,000, people kept saying the same thing. Just give me a dip below 100K and I'll buy. Now Bitcoin is down over 40%, and instead of buying, most people are panicking. So let's ignore the price for a moment and look at what actually changed. First, network security. Bitcoin's hash rate is at an all-time high. That means the network is more secure today than it was at the top. Miners haven't shut down. They're still investing power, capital, and infrastructure. If the asset were truly broken, this wouldn't be happening. Second, supply. Bitcoin is leaving exchanges and moving into cold storage. Long-term holders aren't selling. Large wallets are accumulating while retail investors panic. The available supply for sale is shrinking even as price falls. That's not weakness, that's quiet confidence. Third, leverage cleanup. The market was overloaded with borrowed money. That leverage has been wiped out. Painful? Yes. Healthy? Also yes. Markets move higher when speculation is flushed and conviction remains. So ask yourself this: if security is stronger, supply is tightening, leverage is gone, what actually got worse? Only the price. And price is psychology, not fundamentals. For most people, fear doesn't come from Bitcoin itself, it comes from position size. If you invested money you need, used leverage, or expected quick profits, this drop feels unbearable. That's not investing, that's exposure without a plan. But if this is capital you can leave untouched for years, then volatility is simply the cost of asymmetric upside. History shows the same pattern again and again. Bitcoin lags during fear, while capital rotates into safer assets. Then, when risk appetite returns, Bitcoin doesn't just recover, it overshoots. This isn't a prediction, it's a probability. Bitcoin could go lower, it could move sideways for months. Nothing is guaranteed. The real question isn't should you buy, it's can you afford to wait? Because markets don't reward perfect timing, they reward patience, discipline, and emotional control. In the end, this moment will define your story. You'll either say, I sold because I was overexposed, I held because I understood the fundamentals, or I let fear talk me out of an opportunity. Only one of those is decided by the market, the other two are decided by you.